Today, I'll show you how to deposit money in Metatrader 5. First, it's important to understand how funding works. Metatrader 5 can support deposits inside the platform through its payments or deposit section, but this only works if your broker has enabled that feature. MetaQuotes' official help shows that deposits and withdrawals can be managed from the platform, and on mobile you can open the account section and then deposit to see the available payment operations. So, open your MT5 app, go to your trading account, and look for deposit, payments, or a similar funding option. If you see it, tap it, choose your payment method, enter the amount, and complete the broker's payment form. The exact methods you see will depend on your broker because live accounts and payment processing are provided by the brokerage company, not by MetaQuotes directly. If you do not see a deposit option inside MetaTrader 5, use your broker's client portal or secure area instead. Most brokers let you log in on their website, open deposit or fund account, choose your MT5 account, select the payment method, and confirm the transfer. Broker help pages commonly use that flow for funding MT5 accounts. After the payment is complete, go back to the Trade tab in MetaTrader 5 and check your balance. Once the broker processes the deposit, the funds should appear in your trading account and be ready to use. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.